No, Reginald, never!
The desk telephone, designated CB27 by the Polish State Telephone Service, was produced under a license from Ericsson by a number of manufacturers in Poland between 1926 and 1934. This example is dated 1928 and was assembled in the State Telegraph and Telephone Apparatus Factory PWATT in Warsaw. But the dial is stamped L.M. Ericsson, Stockholm. The overall appearance is noticeably similar to many contemporaneous sets, particularly those made by the Bell Telephone Manufacturing Company in Antwerp. However, the nickel trim around the base gives the CB27 a surprising air of luxury. The most puzzling feature of this telephone is that what appears to be the number card holder is on the back of the base, opposite the dial. Is there anyone out there who knows why this is so? If you do, please leave a comment. The handset is an Ericsson design with a permanent magnet receiver dated 1928. Clearly these sets prove reliable in service, as it seems that when nearly 40 years old, this example was fitted with new cords and a new carbon transmitter dated 1970 and kept in place with a plastic ring. The luxury look extends to the interior, where the large 500 on-ringer coils are mounted high above the base plate, and there are a surprising number of terminals and straps. The paster is in a blueprint style, and the dial and the ringer sound like this.